In order to solve the sum, we should be aware of the value of I is nothing but root of -1. Then I square would be -1. I cube would be I cube can be written as I square times I, which is nothing but minus I. And I power 4 is positive 1 because I power 4 is nothing but I square times I square, which is -1 times -1. So if I power 4 is 1, even I power 8 would be 1. I power 12 is also 1. I power 16 is also 1. So which means if I have anything to the power of I, which is a multiple of 4, it's always 1. So suppose I power 4 times n will be always 1 when n is a natural number. So in that case, I power 998, I have to write the closest multiple to 998, which is divisible by 4. So then I power 998 can be written as I power 996 times I square. The reason I'm writing like this is 996 is a multiple of 4. So in that case, I power 996 would be 1 and I square value is -1. So that is the reason the value of I power 998 would be -1. And if I talk about I power 996, again, the closest multiple of 997, again, the closest multiple of 4 would be I power 996. This can be written as I power 996 times I, which is nothing but 1 times I, so which is I. And if I talk about I power 996, I power 996 is 1 itself because 996 is a multiple of 4. And then if I talk about I power 995, so the closest multiple of 4, which is to 995, is 992. So that is the reason this can be written as I power 992 times I cube. And I power 992 is 1, and I cube is minus I, as we just saw it here. So that is the reason this has to be minus I. And this has to be 1. If you add everything, that's going to look like -1 plus I plus 1 minus I, which is nothing but 0, which is option C should be the answer for this sum.